After the holidays, I always get an influx of messages and comments from people freaking out about holiday weight gain. So let me tell you guys what I really think about holiday weight gain. You know how some people go on those extreme short-term diets and then they lose a ton of weight really fast, only to gain it back even faster? Just like how short-term diets produce temporary weight loss, holiday overeating produces temporary weight gain. Your body will return to its normal set point weight if you just simply return back to your usual healthy eating habits and lifestyle. So relax, guys. Holiday weight gain is just as temporary as extreme diet weight loss. Now, I can't tell you how long it will take to bounce back because that's going to be different for everyone. Me personally, I was bred on the standard American diet, and I also have pre-diabetes and metabolic inflexibility. So if you're like me, it might just take a tiny bit longer, but just be a little bit patient and trust the process. One of the things that has helped me the most as far as getting back on track with a healthy lifestyle is learning how to cook. Learning how to cook and make healthy stuff taste good is such an underrated aspect of weight loss. Today, I'm gonna share some vegan recipes that I've been making that help me get back on track with my fitness goals after the holidays.
If you're 100 pounds,
I miss the little cool creature. It's like it's part of my life. Man. Oh, like a one piece? Give me half of that piece. Go put it.
How is it?
Wow. Look at the size of this fellow. Good thing I didn't get two sandwiches. Oh my god. Look how big it is, bro. It's like two sandwiches. I got lucky today. Good thing I didn't get a second sandwich. Look at this. It's like two sandwiches. Woo. Look at the size of this. I banked on the fact they would do this. Boy, did I guess right. Yeah, their chicken sandwich is monstrous.
Yeah, it's really big. Did you like the tempeh? What about the curry?
Mm-hmm.
So if I make it with chicken, you'll eat it?
Mm-hmm. Definitely. The rest of that stuff looks amazing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I got a couple extra.